Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at heavy floods hitting Honolulu in Hawaii, USA on December the 6th, 2021. A state of emergency was issued as heavy rain hit Hawaii, causing flash floods. The rain was caused by the Kona low weather system, a form of seasonal cyclone.
I have an umbrella in my hand.
Electricity outages were reported as high winds brought down power cables. Roads were blocked by fallen trees in addition to floods, making travel between some areas impossible. Flooding was seen across the island of Oahu and was particularly bad in the neighbourhood of Waikiki. Garbage filled the streets as sewers overflowed. Houses were flooded with residents forced to leave their homes. Warnings remain in place for the coming days with the risk of further floods, high winds and landslides. Blizzard warnings are also in place for mountainous areas. Thank you for watching, with special thanks to my Patreon members. Please comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.